Greg, thank you. Good morning, everybody. And Greg, thank you for that overly kind and generous introduction. I'm very glad to be here today. Big law business is a topic that is and has been for a long time near and dear to my heart. Before I joined Bloomberg as Chief Legal and Compliance Officer in 2012, I practiced for decades in large law firms, including Wilkie, Farr & Gallagher for almost 25 years, where I played a leadership role on the executive committee and as co-chair of the firm. It's been an interesting and positive transition for me, and I believe for all the lawyers who joined Bloomberg from Wilkie 3.5 years ago. I don't have a corner office anymore. Indeed, I don't have an office, period, which is the Bloomberg way. And the pace at Bloomberg is lightning fast. We still work a lot with attorneys from law firms, and in many ways it's the same. We're still a team of attorneys working together to provide the best advice for the company. But now I'm a client of law firms. At the firm, I help generate revenue, and now we focus a lot more on costs. It changes your perspective. It doesn't change the goal of providing the best possible legal advice, and since the Wilkie team joined Bloomberg in 2012, we've seen many times that engaging a good law firm can be a great investment. But now we find ourselves thinking longer and harder as we work with outside counsel. Is the way this has always been done by law firms really the best way, the most efficient, the most effective? This perspective comes partly from being a client, but also from being Bloomberg. This is a company that innovates for a living, giving financial, legal, and government professionals the information they need in consistently better, faster ways. I think Bloomberg has been so successful over the years because the entire organization is completely oriented around our clients' needs. If clients' needs change, we innovate and put our newer or better services that enable them to succeed. We innovate for clients frequently, even before they identify the benefit of a particular innovation. I love to see it when law firms can do the same for us, when we're the client. While BNA's Big Law Business website is relatively new, and this is the inaugural Big Law Business Summit, Bloomberg and Bloomberg BNA have a long and rich history serving providers of legal services. We have deep and trusted expertise, rock-solid relationships, and the proven commitment to help law firms and companies achieve their goals. Big Law Business sits at the intersection of law firms, corporate legal departments, and their corporate clients. Already, Big Law Business has provided news, information, and commentary around the issues that matter the most to legal professionals, informing them with timely and sophisticated intelligence around law firm and in-house strategies, and providing exclusive insight into the key players who sit at the nexus of the world's most important legal matters and the people who manage them, with profiles and interviews that provide a depth of actionable information. The provision of legal services is becoming increasingly complex and global, and today's lawyers require new skills, new competencies, and new expertise at all levels, whether you practice at a law firm, in-house, or somewhere else. Mike Bloomberg wanted to create a service for lawyers because this company has always excelled in getting information in the hands of professionals and providing the tools they need to make it work for them. The company started by serving professionals in finance, but of course, legal professionals need current, complete, and well-curated information. Mike thinks, and I agree, that this company has the DNA to deliver on that vision. The company has been investing in legal information services for a long time, and Mike has a long-term vision. After the financial crisis, when law firms were suffering and Bloomberg Law felt the pinch from their budgets, we doubled down and bought BNA, bringing a long history of excellence in legal information to combine with Bloomberg's culture of innovation. We know this world. We are here to help, and we are here to stay. Mike said in a recent planning meeting, which was quoted in the recent Forbes article about Bloomberg Law, guys, everyone is going to pick up the phone and call their lawyer when there's a legal problem, right? What our technology does is let the lawyer answer that phone call more quickly and answer the question more quickly and with more confidence. Bloomberg BNA, and Bloomberg Law are here to help, educate, to serve, and to enable all of you to excel in your jobs. As experts in this area, we understand the challenges you face. We are here to deliver in the most trusted way the most important news, information, data, analysis, and commentary for lawyers and others operating in the big law world. In keeping with Mike's vision, we have strived tirelessly to make this a reality. And that brings us here today, where we will hear from some of the country's leading influences in the business of law. And with that, I thank you for coming, and I hand off to our keynote speaker from one of the biggest companies in the world, Ann Klee, Global Head of Operations of General Electric. Thanks very much.